If the front camera of the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max or the Plus is blurred out, so in this video I will give you the solution for this problem. Now, first of all, just clean the top area of the screen, because dirt and oil might have built up on the front camera which might be causing this issue. So just clean the top area of the screen with a soft cloth. And after that, if you have applied a screen protector, just check if there is any dirt trapped in between the screen protector and the selfie camera or the front camera. If there is, just remove the screen protector and clean the screen with a soft cloth. Then check if this fixes your issue or not. But if this did not fix your issue, then the next thing you can do is just do a force restart on your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button on your iPhone until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the side button. Now just check if this fixes your issue or not. But if this did not fix your issue, then just go to Settings, and under Settings just tap on Camera. And under the Camera settings, you will find the option of Portraits in Photo mode. Now if this toggle is enabled, just disable it. Now after you disable this feature, then go back to the main settings page and tap on General. Under the General settings, just tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone and tap on Reset. And from this pop-up menu, just select Reset All Settings. Then enter your lock screen PIN and tap on Reset All Settings. Now by resetting all the settings, you will not delete any data on your iPhone. You will just reset all the settings of your iPhone in case if you have enabled a setting which might be causing this issue. But if this also did not work, then just go to your home screen and open any other app which uses the front camera, like the Snapchat app. And from here, just check if the front camera is working or not. Now if the front camera is working in any other app and if the issue is only with the default camera app, then just go to your home screen and open Settings. Under Settings, just tap on General, and under the General settings, just tap on Software Update. And from here, just check if you have any software update available. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your iPhone, as this could be a software glitch which will be fixed through a software update. But if this also did not work, then you might have a hardware problem with your iPhone. Just take your iPhone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix the front camera blur problem on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max or the Plus. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.